In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable automatic payroll in Hubstaff. This feature is incredibly useful for streamlining your payroll process, saving you time, and reducing manual errors. As businesses grow, handling payroll manually can become cumbersome, and setting up automatic payroll in Hubstaff simplifies this task, allowing you to focus on other critical areas of your business. To begin with, you'll want to open your Hubstaff application where all your organizational tasks are managed. Once you're logged in, the first thing you'll need to do is navigate to the Financials section. This can typically be found on your dashboard or main menu. Clicking on Financials is your gateway to managing everything related to your organization's payments and payroll features. This section consolidates all your financial operations, making it easier for you to manage from one central hub. Next, you'll see an option to Get Started with Payroll Setup. It's essential to click on this as it will guide you through the initial setup process. This section is designed to be user-friendly, ensuring that even if you're new to Hubstaff, you won't face any hassles. The Get Started button is essentially the starting point for setting up the automatic payroll system. This simplifies the preliminary step, preparing you for more detailed configuration. Once you have initiated the setup process, proceed to the organization level settings. This step is crucial because organizational settings define how payroll processes are configured and executed globally within your company. Think of this as setting the rules and parameters for payroll execution, such as which team members will be included in the automated processes and how often payments are made. After you have defined your organization level settings, the next step is to enable automatic payments. You will need to find this option within the Payment Settings area. This is where you switch from manual payroll processing to an automated system. Selecting automatic payments will ensure that your payroll is executed at predefined intervals, which you will set, resulting in timely and precise compensation for your staff. This can dramatically reduce the administrative workload and help avoid discrepancies that often arise with manual processing. To wrap up, once all these steps are completed, you will have successfully set up automatic payroll in Hubstaff. At this point, it's a good idea to review all your settings to ensure everything is correctly configured according to your organization's needs. Maintaining accurate records and settings is vital for minimizing future issues. Remember, using Hubstaff's automatic payroll feature not only saves you time, but also adds a layer of accuracy and reliability to your payroll process. If you need further assistance at any point, Hubstaff provides excellent support and resources. Thanks for watching this guide on enabling automatic payroll in Hubstaff. I hope this has helped to streamline your payroll.